So now we're back in the referral inbox, and what I'm going to do is show you how to keep a referral and then set this patient schedule and plot visits. So we're going to come down to this drop-down menu and select Keep After Eval. Now what this is going to do is take us to the page which is going to recap when the patient was evaluated, which you should see here, and the frequency that's set for the patient, which you should see here. Now there are no visits plotted yet. We still need to do that, and that's why this is showing up red on the frequency calendar. Now after reviewing this information, we're going to come down and we're going to hit Submit. And that will take us to the page here, and this is where we're going to load our visits for the patient. Now that we've kept the referral from the inbox, we should wind up on this page. However, if for some reason we did not, we can go to we can get to this same page by choosing the patient from our active patients drop-down on the home page. So we're going to get back to this page, but let's access it a different route. We're going to go back to the home page. We're going to select our active patients, and right here we can see our James test patient. We're going to retrieve the James test patient. Okay. And that's going to take us to the patient record, which is what we see here. Now on the record, we're going to scroll down to the patient schedule and documentation section, which is right here. And below that header to the right, we're going to see the Add and Delete Visits button. Click on that button and it's going to take you to the Add Visits page. Here we can add and delete visits for this patient. And this is the same screen that we got to after we kept the referral just a few seconds ago. So we're going to see the patient's name, the cert period here, the frequency, and also a calendar that's set to the Medicare work week. To add visits, use the calendar by clicking on the dates that you want to schedule. And so this is a 1 week 1, 2 week 4. The first visit was made on 11/22. So we're going to start that 2 week 4 the week after. We're going to go to Monday and Wednesday visits. Okay, so that completes November in the first week. In December, we're going to have to go to the next month in December and continue the frequency there. Okay, now this final week we only plot one visit because there is another visit which is a supervision that's plotted already for 12/20. So now we're going to add all of these visits. Okay, now over here visits have been added successfully. That is good. Okay, if for some reason it did not schedule a visit, it will show up as a red message stating which visits to not schedule and why. The system will not let you schedule visits outside of the cert period or on the same day as another visit. Now we're going to check our work here to see if our visits that we just plotted are in frequency. We're going to click on this View Frequency and Cert Calendar option here. This new calendar that just popped up is going to show the frequency requested and the visits plotted, and it looks like 1 visit, 2 visits, 2 visits, 2 visits, and 2 visits. There's no red on this screen, which means that is a successfully plotted patient chart and schedule.